Hello friends, welcome to another series of video tutorial on Java. Please subscribe to my channel. To subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so that whenever I post any new videos, you get the latest updates. In today's session, we are going to cover what is Java, the main features of Java, what is JDK, JRE and JVM, and how to install Java on a particular machine. Okay, in this case we are going to take a look at installation on Windows platform. Okay, so what is Java? Java is one of the most popular high-level programming language, and it is the most popular and most important programming language as many applications are built around Java. Okay, there are other programming languages where you can build web application, but Java seems to be one of the most popular, and it is most widely used language around the world. And the support of Java ranges from web application to robotics, and that is why it has become much more popular than any other language. What are the features of Java? The features of Java are, first one is it is object oriented. Simple high-level language. Then it is platform independent. It's a robust language. And it is portable and provides high performance. Okay, so let us see one by one. Object oriented. Everything built in Java is around object. So every object will have certain data and behavior associated with that particular object. Okay, so it is a simple high level language. So it is simple, since it is high level language, so it is simple to write. The third one is it is platform independent. When we talk about Java, Java was introduced basically to write the program once and run it everywhere. That is why Java is platform independent. How does Java achieve platform independent? It is based on JVM. So as long as JVM is running on a particular machine, then if you write the program once, it can be run on multiple platforms, as long as JVM is running on that particular machine or the target platform. The next one is robust. What makes Java robust? Java is a robust language because it has got its own garbage collectors. It has got its own memory management. These features makes it robust. In the earlier high-level programming languages, this memory management and the garbage collection was not taken care of. It was at the user end to take care of these issues related to memory management and garbage collection, but Java has got built-in feature that makes it robust. Since it is platform independent, so it is also portable. Program written on one platform is easily portable to other platforms, or programs written for one OS is easily portable to the other OSs. It provides high performance because of there is something called just-in-time compiler which kicks in and loads only those classes which needs at that particular point of time. Only those classes will be converted into a machine language. So that is why it becomes a high performance programming language. Okay, what kind of applications do we develop using Java? You can develop desktop application, web application, mobile applications, embedded systems, robotics, bank applications, games, and so on. So that is the reason it is most widely used programming language. Let us move on to JDK, JRE and JVM. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, whenever you write any program in a high-level language, that needs to be converted into a machine level language, so that the machine can understand what it is supposed to do. Okay, so that is basically done by a compiler. Okay, once this is converted, it has to be specific to a particular platform. That means it has to run on a particular hardware or a software environment, which is nothing but a platform. Since Java is a platform independent language, you need to write the program only once and run it on different platforms. JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit. It contains all the tools which are needed for a particular high-level program written in Java to be converted into machine-level language. It also provides API support, wherein these APIs are used to build the application or variety of application. So those APIs are provided through JDK. What is JRE? JRE is nothing but Java runtime environment. It contains the class libraries which interacts with your hardware or software. Basically, this helps in running the program. JDK helps in writing the program and compiling them. JRE will help you to run that program. Okay, if you want to run any Java programs, you need to have JRE installed on that particular machine. Let us take a look at what is JVM now. JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Machine. JVM basically converts the high-level language into the bytecodes. This JVM makes Java programs platform independent. Since the bytecodes, whatever the JVM is converting, that is specific to that particular platform on which this JVM is installed. So it basically converts that program into bytecodes so that it can run on a particular platform. So JDK is used to write the code, compile the code, and then JVM is used to convert that into bytecodes. JRE is used to run that code on a particular platform. Okay, so let us look at installation. So for installation, you need to go to www.oracle.com and search for JDK. Okay, as we have covered earlier, Java is not only used for web application, so there are several editions available. There is one called Standard Edition, Java SE, and this is Enterprise Edition, and this is Mobile Edition. This can be used for embedded, card, and TV. So there are variety of applications which you can develop using these editions. The one which we are interested in is Java Standard Edition. Okay, go to downloads. Okay, so you can go with Java SE 8. You can download JDK from here. Okay, so there is JRE. This will just install the JRE, which is only used to run particular applications. So the one which we are interested is JDK. You download this JDK and install it. This will also install a JRE on that particular machine. Okay, so let us click on download here, and here you need to select which platform you are using. Okay, mine is Windows 64-bit, so I need to download this and install it. Okay, so we need to accept the license and then click on download. Since I have already downloaded and the installation is quite straightforward, you click next, and then it will install both JDK as well as JRE. Okay, so once it is installed, you need to open up command prompt and type in Java, or you can type in Java minus version. So if you get this, then your Java installation and setup is correct. Okay, so it has installed. 1.8.0.191, and this is the runtime environment which I'm using. If you get any firewall pop-ups, then just agree to that. Okay, don't deny. Okay, so that is the end of today's session.